According to the checkoff, I have added a new prefab called Health Pack. So what does this Health Pack do? That is that you increase the score by 100 um, when the UFO actually picks it up. So the reason why I lose is because the count is not above 50. And if you see through the video, the health pack actually increased the count score by 100. How do I know that it's hit? You can see that here I have a consumable hit of type health pack that is actually show. Hence, it's actually subscribed to the on hit event and it is inherited by the consumable CS.